Hey, so as you can see, the keyboard itself is pretty bright. You can adjust the settings using the function key. I'll show you how to do all the basic actions on here. Caveat, this is a 60% keyboard, so it's about the size that you'd find on your laptop, like that's a 14-inch, like the one I have. I would say it's a lot better in terms of responsiveness, but and just having like an actual second keyboard that sits on your desk if you have a similar setup to me. Anything else I'll be showing you, I'll be pressing the function key. I'm just going to show you how to change the colors and then also to cycle through the different modes. So to cycle through the different modes, you hit function, then the tab, and I'll just take you through most of them. Some of them are reactive. Actually, quite a few of them are reactive. And like I said before, if you're gonna change the color, just do that. Right, so you can see all the different types of modes it has. I'd say it's pretty crisp. The response back is pretty nice. It's pretty bright considering that it's kind of like midday over here. So yeah, I'd say overall it's a pretty good product. I would recommend using it for primarily for gaming, because once again, the hand thing, or in the alternative, maybe getting it for your kids, or to supplement a dual screen setup with the laptop.